Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another project share for you guys. I mentioned several times that I was working on some baby mini albums, and so this is one that I just finished, and this is for twin baby girls. um, and I just wanted to share it with you. It's an 8x10 landscape style album. Pretty big. I wish I had a better camera angle to show you guys this book. I think it is so cute. It's so adorable. Let me start by mentioning the papers that I used. I did a haul a while back on these papers, and I got these from scrapbook.com, and this is the Heaven Sent 2 collection, Sweet Little Thing by Prima. And this is just to show you some of the papers. This is what I have left over. This, anyway, I don't want to spend too much time going over these papers, but I was kind of surprised that I had this much papers left over, but I did get scared at first that I was going to run out, and I did not want to run out. I wanted to complete this mini album with these papers specifically, and just really pretty paper collection, and it even has some foiling on it. So this is the remainder of that collection, and this is enough to where I could probably make another smaller mini album. I also picked up the chipboard and stickers that went with that collection from scrapbook.com, which I didn't really use any of the chipboard or stickers. And I did get some of the matching flowers as well. I did use one pack of the flowers for the cover. Anyway, that is the collection that I used. So I'm just going to go over the cover of this book. So for the cover, I matted with pink cardstock underneath here, and then I went around and just kind of made a frame out of lace that I got from Joann's, and then I cut a piece of the pattern paper and popped it up on chipboard, so that's just to give it a little extra dimension. These are those flowers that I mentioned from that collection, the Heaven Sent 2 collection. I added this pretty sparkly bow, some of those little clothespin embellishments from Dollar Tree, and then this wooden piece right here is from Hobby Lobby. It's in the area where they sell the unfinished wood for those kind of projects. Well, they're painted already, this one, and so I used this one because I thought it was cute, and I thought it went really good with the collection, because this collection has a little baby deer on it as well, so that went good. It says hello little one. So that's the cover. I left the back plain with just I just matted the pink and white polka dot paper that came in the collection on top of another piece of pink, and I may put a little label that says who this book is from. This is a gift for someone. I used a ribbon closure for this, so just untie it and open it up. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to try to share as best as I can with this angle. Okay, so for the inside cover, this is the inside cover. I used a cut apart from a different scrapbook collection, and it was the swaddle from Authentique that I shared with you guys that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby just the other day. And I like this one because this page, says first look, and it has a spot for the first photo, the date and the due date, and then journaling area for mom to journal. So that's the inside cover. And then to come over to this page right here, I did a magnetic photo mat closure. So this lifts up, it has a magnet that keeps it right in place, and it also keeps this page closed. It's like a gatefold page. Large area for photo, and even on this sides. That is that. And that just closes. And these some strong little magnets, so it just stays in place. And then each page has an insert, a large pull-out where more photos can be added. So you flip this one over, and then this page is actually a pocket page right here. It's a really cute page. I added some of that trim that you get. I think they used to sell it at Michael's in the little dollar bin, and I just cut it off of here, and it already has the sticky back, and I used that to trim my pockets. So I thought that was really cute, because I have a lot of those trims that are in my stash that I just never use, and this was perfect to use that for. So I did make some photo mats. So this is a mat that can be used front and back. You could actually mat a picture here, journal on the back, however mom wants to do it. So I just made several of these stick down in the pockets. This one is a card that mom can fill out that says my pregnancy journey, the beginning, and it has just journaling area for all those sweet memories. I also did a photo booklet here, and this also helps keep these flip outs closed. So you just put it right down in there, and this is a little booklet that you can also mat photos in, or journal, or whatever. So these two flip out like this for small pictures, or if mom wanted to adhere her sonogram photos on these little spots right here. And I figure that with these books being handmade, you would want to maybe use clear acetate to cover your sonogram photos, so that because over time those sonogram photos will fade, so the acetate over top would be a good addition to your book. And I did buy a pack of acetate off of Amazon, and I'm thinking that I might add it in here with some photo corners and give her that idea. So this is just a pocket page, so all that good stuff just basically slides down in the pocket, holds those two flaps closed. Just really cute, and a lot of space for, photos and journaling. Okay, so to move the book over, it's quite a large album, so I'm doing the best that I can. This is another flip up page that I use Velcro at the bottom of this one because I actually forgot to add my magnets before I matted this page. So the Velcro came in handy, and I put it at the very bottom of this page, which still left a large area for a big photo or for several small photos. And then the top, these two flaps are photo mats up here. So, and like I said, each page has that pull out area for more pictures. So this one folds over, and right here is the next page. So this page is actually a pocket. So this is a pocket right here. And so I added another one of those cut aparts, and this one says milestones, and you can write the date of the positive pregnancy test, the ultrasound date, appointment date, showing a bump, that date, anatomy, skin, movements, maternity photos, hiccups, all of that you can journal about on these, and you can actually add a photo on the back if you like. And this one says the details. And this is a cute journaling card too for mom. It says, we found out we were expecting on. We felt blank. Your due date blank. You actually arrived blank. Mom thought I would be blank. Dad thought I would be blank. You were a blank. Mom's favorite food. Mom's least favorite food. Our first appointment was on blank. We saw our doctor, so you get the point. But that was a cute one. And this also came from the Authentique collection, so I really like those. And so those just slide down in that little pocket just like that. And then this pocket flips open, so here's a space right here for a large photo, and here is another space for a large photo, and then this flips up for 2 more areas of large photos, or several small photos, however mom wants to do it. Okay, so this next page is identical to the other page we already went over. It has a photo mat closure with the magnetic closure right there. And then these two open up for lots of space for photos and journaling. So this just sticks right there. This flips over, another basic page. This flips up like this. Just really pretty in a large area. And if mom wants to make photo collages on here, she can do that, or 2 smaller pictures, or several smaller pictures, or 1 large picture. You can have space up here. Alright, and then another one of those other pages that flips up. However, this one I didn't forget the magnets, so you don't see the Velcro at the bottom. It gives a larger area for photos. And then of course at the top you have photo mats right up here for 4x6 photos. So that. Okay, so then flip it over, and on this page you have another deep pocket page for more photo mats. These mat 4x6 photos, and I think I might put a couple 5x7 photo mats in here, and I want to add some tags for journaling, and I'll add those in this pocket as well. And so last is the inside of the back cover. I did a photo waterfall, so this will give, how many is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's 8 plus 7, 15. So you get 15 more photos that you can put here in this waterfall. And so I just used a ribbon closure for that, and these flip up, and that is basically the album. Just a really pretty album. I am so happy with this. I love the size of it. It's not too big and it's not too small. You can put really nice size large photos in here. And I constructed this. I wrote this out. That's why the page layouts are kind of on the basic side, but very functional for lots and lots of pictures. So you got 15 pictures that you can add just in the back cover, inside cover alone. Like, there's plenty of picture space. I'm thinking you can probably get 50 plus photos in this album with the pockets and all the flips, and yeah. So that is my share today, guys, and I will come back if anybody is interested in making this album. I'm going to be working on a baby boy album exactly like this, and I am going to film it as a tutorial. So if you guys want to make an album along with me, we can definitely do that, and that is going to be coming up soon. Yeah, so, and then I tell y'all the spine. The spine is pretty bare right now, but I'm thinking I might want to add baby girl on the side of the spine. I'm not sure yet, but this is the book, and I'm so proud of myself. I finished this book. I made it and finished it, and decorated it and all. So this one is done. It's actually ready for me to give as a gift. But like I said, I think I'm going to make a few more different size photo mats to slide in there and some tags for more journaling. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll have a video coming real soon, and it's going to be a lot longer because it's going to be a tutorial video. And for a tutorial video for me, I'm going to talk it through because I don't feel like I do good explaining everything over voiceover. I always find that I rush things when I'm trying to do a voiceover and go along with what I'm doing on video. So I would rather just do it and do the tutorial in real time, and you guys can just, you know, follow along with me and we can make books together. So as always, guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment. If you're not subscribed, please click that link below to subscribe for more content from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.